Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your default browser on Edge. It's pretty simple. So on Edge, this is going to be your default browser. So if I just search for anything, it's going to be this, Microsoft Binge. But I'm going to change it to something else. For that, you need to click on three dot at the top right of Binge, and then you want to click on where it says settings. From over here, you want to go on this option called privacy, search and services. From over here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option called address bar search. Click on address bar search. Now from over here, as you guys can see, the search engine used in address bar is Google by default. So I'm going to change it to Yahoo. As you guys can see, it has changed to Yahoo. Now what I can do is open up another, tab on my Binge or Microsoft Edge and start searching. So I'm going to searching something random. And as you guys can see, my default browser has changed to Yahoo over here. The thing which I just searched is being searched in yahoo.com. So I just need to close my browser, reopen it again, and it should probably work. So after you change your setting, just close and reopen your browser, all right? And it should change and it should work. And as you guys can see, it has changed into Yahoo now. So that's how you guys can change your default browser in Microsoft Edge. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.